Here we will show you how to transfer text messages from iPhone to Mac via Coolmuster iOS Assistant. Coolmuster iOS Assistant is a tool that will scan your iPhone for all text messages and other data and display them for you to export on your computer. Here are the steps to transfer SMS from iPhone to Mac with this tool. Step 1. Launch the transfer software after you downloaded and installed on your Mac. Connect your iPhone to the computer with a USB cable and the software will detect the device automatically. Step 2. Navigate to the left sidebar where all iPhone data types are displayed. Click on the SMS tab and the software will scan your iPhone to find out all text messages. Just choose your wanted text messages on the right side. Step 3. After that, you can directly press the export button from the top menu. Choose an output format CSV, HTML, text or DB for the exported messages, and then specify an output location to save it.